Hi! So welcome to my channel. If you're like some random person that I don't know, you're just like watching this video, I'm Chrislyn and I just moved from California to Indiana with my husband who lives here because he lives so far, and we recently got married. I'm doing weekly vlogs so that my family back home, my family and friends back home can see what I'm up to, and just for me personally so that I can keep myself busy and like life interesting here. Side note, I'm talking kind of low because my husband Jack, his mom and his mom's husband is sleeping because they like work at night, so they sleep during the day. This is my room. Not much. We're still fixing it, we're still cleaning it, we're still unpacking. I'm actually waiting for my boxes to come in, which is being delivered on Wednesday. And so yeah, and then like we also ordered some things for the room. It's just a lot. Moving is a lot, unpacking is a lot, and no one ever tells you that it's like an emotional roller coaster. I know it's normal still to like be emotional and cry. Like even like I think about my home back in California, like my family and friends, I still think about you guys like a lot, and I still like get teary-eyed and I still cry sometimes, which is completely normal. But yeah, it's like a big change. If someone would have told me that I would be living in a different state, married in Indiana, I would have laughed and said no, I would never. But I'm here, I'm married. I'm currently working, but I'm taking a break to like talk to you guys so I can film. Jack isn't here, he went with his dad to look at cars or something. But yeah, I will show you the room. Oh, don't mind the mess, we're still moving and unpacking. And that's Jimmy. Hello. This is Jack's side, he's still cleaning it. I will show you the closet. This is my side. There's like a light in here, which I think is really cool. Ta-da! That's his side. He has a lot of clothes. So this is his desk. He's probably gonna watch this and be like, why did you show them the mess? But I'm like, it's okay, no one really cares. This is our bed. We literally just got this pillow yesterday because Jack wanted it. He thought it was really cute, so I was like, okay, let's just get it. And then these are our windows, which never have been opened until now because Jack hates light. But I was like, no, open it. Our vanity, that is still need to be cleaned up. This is Jack's side, this is my side. We're still gonna throw that. This whole thing was filled with his stuff and other things, and I was like, you need to clean that. I'm still in the process of cleaning it out because I have this whole idea to like decorate it. Over here is my desk, which is an L-shaped desk and a corner desk, which is really cool. It's coming along together slowly but surely. And then this is my chair, and that is pretty much it for now. I'm gonna go eat lunch and then work and then wait for Jack to come back, and then we'll see what we'll do next.
Hello. What? We trying to do some moonshine mission.
Okay.
Sell some moonshine. Make some money. I made $11.
Wow.
I'm
Nice.
rich. Good boy, Jimmy. Good boy, almost done. Almost done. It's all curly right here. How get curly so fast? You getting fluffy again. Getting fluffy, looking for all the ladies.
Guess what came in? It's an imac. Jack got it for me. Good morning. So I got an Amazon package this morning. It's for the vanity. We can finally organize it. So I'm gonna put it together and then show you guys what it looks like. One for me, one for him.
Maybe we just put this on him for now.
What's that?
To cover his cast. Technically, this is for when he goes on walks.
Oh, they gave that for free?
Gee, I don't think it's free. We paid a lot, babe.
I don't know. Sometimes they're good.
I don't think it's free, but no, Jimmy.
Looks like an umbrella cover.
It does, huh? Not the time for kisses. Just kidding. It's always time for kisses. Give me some kisses.
Ew. It's all done. This is his side. This is his lotions. His perfume, deodorant, eye stuff, other stuff. And then his tray. And then his watches. Over here is my side. All my face products. My makeup stuff. My brush. Brushes.
This guy making a dog.
And then I'm waiting for like my lotion to come in. And I was gonna put like face pads in here.
It's take a while taking mine. Especially when this is 4K, bro.
All black. And all clean. It's finally clean. My boxes are here. The boxes are here. Time to unpack. Again. Look at this guy.
Guy. I'm just some guy.
Look at Jack.
I guess that's better.
Building my side table for the desk.
See these?
Yeah.
I could fill those in.
That bothers you?
Yeah, it needs to be the soap quality.
That's so cool.
Bulletproof. Here you go.
Ah, thank you.
You're welcome. It's missing a wheel.
What?
What?
Trader Joe's.
My car parts. Did you get a video of me burping?
Yeah.
Nice. That's good. Just too much explosion going on. Something was there. How is it, babe?
What's good? What?
Are you happy?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ew.
How do I look?
You look like a...
How do girls do that?
You look like a F-boy. Happy Saturday! So today we're gonna go out to do some errands. We're gonna visit check some... putting something in the engine. We're gonna go visit his sister. Probably have lunch there. And then I'll take you along. It's really cold. Oh, look at my jacket! And I finally put makeup. I haven't put makeup in like a couple weeks. Like, not just this week, but yeah.
Where's Godzilla's arm? What's that? Sonic? See how you can change it to... I always have it on warm. You can change it to like that white.
There? Wow!
It's packed into a small car.
What the heck?
What?
Look at our fridge. Ta-da!
Show them the macarons.
The macarons that were sold out.
Oh, you mean in the fridge?
Yeah.